How to change notification sound on Instagram in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make a long press on Instagram application and then tap on app info. Now as you tap on app info, it will lead us to a new page where you'll be able to see the option of notifications over here. So under the permission, you can see notifications. So just tap on notifications, and as you tap on notification, you can just scroll down, and under Instagram category, you can see the option of others over here. So tap on others, and here you can see the option of sound. Just tap on sound and make sure that you select the sound that you are more familiar with, or that is something that is of your choice. So you can just change it over here by selecting whichever ringtone or whichever notification that you prefer the most, and that's how you'll be able to change your notification sound on Instagram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.